a majority of people today are pretty much dumbfounded when they find out where their data is and how it can't get sent from, like, Palo Alto Medical Foundation over to Stanford, or instead it has to be sent over by fax or run over by human. So I think these are the sorts of pressures that are building, in addition to the fact that technologically we're moving into a different stage of, instead of storing servers in your back office, people are increasingly relying on the cloud, and that's a place where sort of the traditional barriers are starting to be broken down.
I was just going to say, I think one reason to be optimistic is the really strong driver coming from the health reform law. The call for new reimbursement models is clear. It's no longer going to be on the volume of healthcare services given. It's going to be on the value of those services. Lord knows how you define value, but it's going to be something that requires a more complex model other than just measuring volume. And I think that's going to force integration among different data repositories.